Welcome, guys and gals, to our first official drawing in the What Blog Would You Make July 2019 Dear Blogger giveaway. We have our entries right here. They've been written on the back of these old Dear Blogger business cards here, which I'm going to update soon. I have about 9,000 of those, so plenty to use, and we can see that Connie's name has already been drawn, and so that will be removed. Congrats, Connie, and now we are going to draw a winner from these remaining ones. Just wanted to say that people got a bonus of +3 entries for sharing the video as instructed on social media. Applied on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you are. So definitely take advantage of that. If you didn't this time, you can take advantage of it next time, which brings me to my point that there will be another giveaway next month. If you don't win, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for entering. Thank you so much for supporting the blog. For supporting Leroy right here. He appreciates you. And yeah, it's free to enter and it's fun and you really mean a lot to me. So I hope all of you win, and I know it's not possible, but let's make it happen. For 2 more people here who will get $60 this time for Amazon, and you can use that for blogging, food, clothing, or just to cover the cost of starting a blog, like hosting a domain name. So without further ado, let's do it. I'm going to take all of our entries over here. Those are not entries. I am going to shuffle them up here so you know we're doing this legit. All right, and now I am going to just make sure to shuffle them really, really good and not even look. We're going to draw 2 of them. Okay. Not even looking here. Super shuffle. Obviously could shuffle better if they were cards. And then without looking, I'm gonna grab our Amazon box here, throw them in there. Maybe in the next giveaway we'll have like a microphone or a stage or something. I'm gonna close the box up. Shake it even more. Doesn't sound like much is going on in there. All right, now it's finally time. Let's open it up. See what's in there. And I have one in my hand here. Congrats to Emily. Congrats to Emily. And that is my handwriting right there. So, congratulations, Emily. You are a winner. Thanks for entering, and congrats again. And our next winner, making sure to draw this one really good. Really good in there is Julia. Hey, congratulations, Julia. And Emily, you guys now win a cool Amazon gift card, which will be delivered to your email. I might have to ask you for your email. But yeah, here you go, Julia and Emily. And thank you so much, everyone, for entering. It's been a lot of fun, and we're going to do another one in August. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks so much.